In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add widgets on your iPhone home screen and lock screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and if we would like to add some widgets on our home screen, all we have to do is just long press somewhere at blank space of our home screen until our icons start shaking. Then we need to tap at that plus sign, and that's where we can search for a widget we would like to add. Let it be batteries widget. Then we can choose one of these widgets, and all we have to do now is just tap at add widget. After that we can long press and move that widget around the particular home screen, or we can also place it at another home screen simply by dragging it to that home screen. And basically that's all about how we can easily add widget to our home screen. What about lock screen? So first off, just swipe down from the top of the screen to go to the notification center, and that's where we need to long press to activate that mode. Then we can choose any lock screen, and then we need to tap at customize and select lock screen. That's where we can tap at add widgets, and in the same way we can add here any widgets from that list, like battery widget for example. I can add it in that way, and then I can add weather widget just like that. Once we've done that, we can just tap at done to save the changes. That's how you can easily get widgets on your iPhone.